This is egg. I added 1 egg. But auntie, you are not big, oh. Hey, this is your sexy body. When you see your sexy body, Auntie Zana, you are not big. You want to be skinny. Because I was 140 and now I am not. Okay. Okay. But still, you look sexy. Okay, my macaroni too is done. You're making it fast. This is my macaroni. I'm adding a little sauce here. Amen. Oh. God is our strength. This is my cheese. I'm adding small here so that it will be much cheesy and creamy. Thank you, Auntie. I want to make it so fast. I don't want to waste any of my viewers' data. This is the chicken I prepare, so I'll add it here. Let me can. I decided not to add too much vegetables. Normally when I prepare, I add parsley, coriander, a lot of, but today no. Thank you, Auntie.